Look at this sweet yam plant which is grown in my backyard. First I will remove all the branches of the plant so that it will be easy for me to dig and remove the tubers. This plant is about 110 days old and it is ready for harvesting now. Usually the yams will mature in about 100 to 120 days. Look at this tuber. It seems it has grown to a good size. I need to carefully dig it so that the tuber is not damaged. Very good size. I am happy to see such big size tuber. There might be few more below. There are two more tubers here. It's really a great feeling to get such nice tubers in your own garden. These two are a little smaller compared to the first one. I got one big tuber, two smaller ones and few tiny pieces. The total weight is around 900 grams. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching.